Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so I was just about to leave from a cafe that I always visit here in Pune, and this is my favorite place. It's my daily it's my go-to place for on weekends. I usually come to this place for studying and doing my own deep work because घर पे possible नहीं है. घर पे क्या होता है कि I have my son, 2 years old son, and he doesn't let me do a thing. So I always prefer to be at the cafe on the weekends. So now I am at Baner, Pune Baner, and here I'm stuck at the parking. So my today's vlog is going to be about my overall experience with this car. It's almost 18 months since I have purchased this car, and the experience I would like to talk about is, first of all, the driving experience. Sorry, I said ride because I am pretty much used to saying that because of my motorcycle as well, which I sold recently. I will talk about that as well later. So yeah, so what I was talking about is, yeah, so the driving experience. First of all, I would like to talk about that. So yeah, being a Skoda owner and driving this car for 18 months now, the only thing I can say is it's quite a smooth drive that I have experienced with this car. There is no caveat with the kind of experience that you get with this car while you're driving it. The only problem that I face with this car is sometimes the braking makes a little noise. I don't know what kind of noise that is. Some kind of grunt I can hear at the end when I suddenly do the braking. And I spoke to other people also from the group, from the same group of Skoda owners. सब लोग वही कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि ये जो ग्रंटिंग नॉइज है वो हम सबको फील हो रहा है, बट नॉट एवरीवन इज फेसिंग दैट, बट एटलीस्ट आउट ऑफ 100 people you can say 20-25 people are experiencing that. There are around more than 200 people on that group. I'm not really sure about the number, but I'm just guessing it. But जो भी जितने भी लोग हैं, मैंने सबको पूछा. A lot of people are coming up with different problems, different what do you say, different complaints, not so major but related to the driving experience I'm talking in particular. तो इसमें जो मुझे जो एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है वो जस्ट ब्रेकिंग का हुआ. ब्रेकिंग में मुझे जो एक नॉइज़ आती है वो एक ही मुझे इशू लगा. अदर देन दैट the driving experience is phenomenal. The kind of acceleration you get, the kind of punch you get when you put your foot on the gas pedal, it's outstanding. And also I generally drive my car on normal mode, that's driving mode. But when I am on the highway, I prefer sports mode. Sports mode mein you get little bit of higher acceleration, but again you are going down on your overall mileage. So you need to balance it when you are driving this car, or any car for that matter. You just need to balance between the driving modes if you are really trying to get the best out of your mileage. So another fact I would like to say is the kind of safety that you feel inside this car is phenomenal. I mean, you are always getting that feeling of pride when you are sitting in this car, because the kind of safety, the kind of feeling of safety that it gives you is priceless. And also the quality of all the interiors, the quality of all the accessories or anything that you touch inside the car is something, it's unbeatable for this price point. जब भी मैंने कार लेने का डिसाइड किया था 2023 में, तभी क्या हुआ था कि I had few people who bought this car, not this car but the other car, the sedan, that is Slavia. A lot of people were buying that, and I was also in a mood to buy the same car. मैं भी ये देखो क्या कर रहा है. This is Pune. You could just see what happened just now, but one guy was taking reverse on the main road in a angular direction. So that kind of highly skilled people you will find on the road in Pune. Yeah, so coming back to the topic, so when I was driving, I started driving this car. Before I purchased this car, there were a lot of people who were buying Slavia. और जो भी Slavia ले रहे थे, I got to sit in one or two Slavias which were owned by the very close friends of mine. So उन्होंने जब भी उनका कार मैंने चलाया, one of the friends who purchased the car, I went with him for a long drive to Mumbai. Or on my way back to Mumbai early morning, I took the control of his car, and I was completely surprised, and not surprised I would say, but I was amazed. I knew that अगर मैं Skoda लेने वाला हूँ तो of course it is going to give me that premium feeling, but I never had an experience of driving this car before, driving any Skoda car before. So तभी मैंने first time चलाया, and I was completely spellbound. So तभी मैंने decide किया कि if I want to buy a car, I will go for Skoda. So when the time came, when I raised some money for my car and finally decided to purchase, I had two options. I didn't even think of, I didn't even consider buying any other car except either Skoda or Volkswagen. So these were only two options I was considering, since they were both are German, and I know I love German technology and German engineering. I work for a German company at the moment. So yeah, that time I decided to buy either Slavia or Virtus. तभी मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ यही चल रहा था कि मैं सेडान ही लूँगा. So when I decided that, I decided to take a drive, take a test drive at the nearest Skoda showroom. तो जब भी मैंने ये किया, फर्स्ट ड्राइव किया, डिसाइड किया टेस्ट ड्राइव लेने का. I took the drive for manual gearbox on Slavia, and I enjoyed quite a lot. Even manual was quite good, and they were running a lot of offers on Slavia because it was the end of the year, and they had a lot of unsold unsold cars, or you can say unsold articles. Article is a wrong word, I think. Yeah, unsold cars they had. तो वो लोग मुझे बहुत सारा डिस्काउंट भी देने रेडी थे. ऑलमोस्ट 1 लाख और 1.5 लाख discount they were ready to give me, even on the top end model of Slavia with automatic transmission. So I was completely sure that I will be going for Slavia. And then my wife saw Kushaq nearby in the same showroom, and she just thought that let's take a drive of Skoda Kushaq as well. हमारे माइंड में कुछ नहीं अलग नहीं था. We were about to book Slavia. We had our funds ready, we had our minds ready, everything was finalized कि okay अभी इस बार Slavia ही आएगी in the next 15 days. But then suddenly my wife said that let's try this at least once. And then when we asked them for a test drive, and उसके बाद जो हुआ उसके बाद we started discussing more about Kushaq only, because the kind of experience you get in SUV is a lot different and lot safer, I would say. Of course, I am not denying that Slavia doesn't have any safety features or it's not equally safe or anything. But जब भी आप SUV में बैठते हो, जब भी वो आप height पे बैठते हो, and then what things you can see, how the driving experience, the passenger experience, whatever experience that you get is on a different level. For me, I was completely convinced कि अभी मुझे Slavia नहीं लेनी है, मुझे अभी Kushaq ही लेनी है. There were some things that I had to also consider, like the funds, the major part, because it was little costly